Alright guys, so I'm doing a special recipe. These are on sale. Okay, I got these ribs that were on sale. So I've never made ribs before, so I'm going to try to make it in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to add in onions, I'm going to add some ginger powder, some garlic salt, and the onion there. And then I'm going to use this balsamic vinegar that I got. This is a blackberry ginger with it, and then yeah, I'm gonna cook that up in the Instant Pot, and it should be nice and tender. And then I'm gonna, before I even like eat it, I'm gonna scrape off all the fat, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge first. So it's gonna be a little bit of prep work, guys, but I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys, and get this all set up. All right, guys, the ribs are ready. As you can see, seasoned. I put the balsamic blackberry ginger vinegar in there. And then I got a little bit of onions, garlic powder, ginger powder, Himalayan sea salt. What else did I put in there? Black pepper, some white pepper, and some lemon zest. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. Added a little bit of water in there so it can actually start cooking. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'll be back, and we'll do a quick taste test once all this is done. Alright guys, it's all done here. It smells amazing. And it has this nice sweet taste, smell to it. Let's do a quick taste test. Look at that. Tender, falls off the bone. Check that out. That is good. That is amazing, actually. But there is a lot of oil on top here, so if you guys want to get rid of it, just put it in the fridge, scoop it off, and then you're good to go. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. This is the first time I've made ribs, but they're actually really good. So, and yeah, definitely check it out. Alright guys, so these are the ribs that I did last night. I just want to show you how much fat was actually there. You see that? All that white there? That is all the fat from those ribs. So this is why you want to scoop it out. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos, and if you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you on the next recipe.